In this video, we are discussing the asynchronous version of the Projectile Motion lab. By now, you have done video analysis of an object, and we're going to continue that, except this time the object will have motion in the y direction and the x direction. So everything you know about how to do that video analysis, from the one-dimensional motion, planes of movement, objects of known length, converting pixels to meters, all of that will still be true, with the addition of that we are now intentionally having an x and y velocity. When you are doing your curve fitting, it is important to keep in mind that unless you tell it otherwise, Logger Pro will consider the first frame of the video to be t equals 0. So if you start your video and 10 seconds later you throw your object, if your kinematic equations yield an initial velocity and initial position, those will be the numbers of where the ball would have been 10 seconds before you threw it, which will usually mean a far distance outside of the frame and going very quickly because it had to come into the frame 10 seconds later. To avoid that, when you are doing your curve fitting, there is a time offset option in Logger Pro. This will make Logger Pro assume that the first data point is t equals 0, and will not try to extrapolate back to the beginning of the video before the actions even happened. Thank you for watching this video. Here's a fun fact. A plumb bob is named for the lead weight hanging at the end of the string. In Latin, lead was plumbum, which is why someone who builds things out of lead might be called a plumber.